No problem, no?
Empat lah. Unsur apa yang cipenai?
One month.
Oh, okay. But then
Lemon
you
chip
can-
ni. What is she making? Putharo.
Patharo.
So you want to have?
Yeah, but it's
Aye, sir.
I think it's too hot.
Aye, sir.
Give me that one, the one that's made.
I'm back. Wow.
Just give it in a napkin. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
You got fish.
Yeah, anything. Just avoid the chili. Not too much chili.
Not too much chili.
Anything will do, but not chili. Chili, we can just reduce the chili.
Mana mana sumkan lah.
That one, give it to Vijay maybe. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
This one pork.
Ah, better. More. You'd ask me later on for the good stuff.
Just
Small pork.
Thank you.
War Zaintia food store.
Apply. I met him once. Bakmarang mo, paano mo pumunta? William Nagar siya. Oh, wait.
And this chili paste has become a proper hit in nationally, sir. So when we went to Pineapple Festival and all, we still get calls for
It
this
is
chili.
it's very hot.
Yes, sir.
Give me some.
So this is Garo Hill, sir. And again, different kind of products here. And when you take around outside, sir, you will see that we have really teas of Meghalaya tea. So all of this is like we have actually called this whole festival as hidden gems. That so this is primarily the first quarter. Turned up across 3 hills, right now sitting inside. So we wanted to make sure. And so this is all biodegradable packaging that we have sourced from Swiss Pack. So even in rural areas, we are making sure that